Hey guys, Justin Robinson here with CrossFlight Sky Solutions. Really excited to share with you some information about our new high school curriculum that's rolling out in January 2020. First thing we need to do is establish a need for drones in high schools, and I think that we all would agree that your students need these skills. When they go out to get a job, companies are going to be wanting some experience. Having that Part 107 certification and understanding the drone industry is something that's at the forefront of many industries and lots of different jobs out there. And our students are going to be the best to fill those positions. As a matter of fact, I'm a seasoned drone pilot, but I would say that a 17 or 18-year-old with their skill set is going to be able to fly a drone better than I will very quickly. They just need to understand the rules, regulations, and how this applies to the different industries. First step for the teachers are to come through and get some certification for themselves. If they already have it, they need to understand the curriculum and have plenty of time for hands-on flight and see how this is being used in different industries and how they can incorporate that into their classroom. Of course, they have to get certified. Anybody that's flying a drone commercially, which would include instructors or teachers at schools, needs to have a FAA Part 107 certification and understand all of those guidelines and regulations. FAA standards all the way throughout our curriculum. Each lesson has the standards associated with it listed right on the lesson plans for the teacher. Makes it very easy to tie those standards to student learning. We use a lesson plan format called GNAG. It's goals. Everybody needs to be on the same page. Students and teacher need to understand the goals. They need to go through and look at what they already know, compare that with the new information, apply, and then revisit the goals and make sure that they're applicable to the standards. As you can see, there's daily lesson plans for every lesson all the way through. This is going to be set up for a teacher to take it right out, use these lesson plans, and implement to their students right away. It's a very student-driven curriculum. We don't want the teacher standing up and just lecturing over all the information. We want the students getting the standards, using those standards, applying them, and really getting to a deeper level of understanding. If you'd like any examples of those, you can see a couple here. But we can definitely discuss and reach out to us if you've got any questions about what those lessons look like. We also have rubrics for the different parts, whether it be presentations or whatever the assignments are, so that the teacher can easily grade these and go through and check the students' understanding. We also have some recommendations for equipment and even for some different types of simulation software that you can use. Some drones that you can fly inside, some outside. We definitely would like for the schools to have access to at least one commercial drone so that students can really see how these are going to be used and implemented out in the industry. So as always, any questions that you have, please reach out to us. We're so excited to get this out there. We've got some great deals coming up for the end of the year and going into January 2020. As always, fly safe. Look forward to hearing from you soon.